Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cupid Rose. I'm going to show you the cutters first. We have the petal cutter and little leaf cutter. So I'm going to start off with the leaves to show you those first. So I'm just going to remove the cutter to one side, the petals, and I'm going to place the leaf cutter into the pad with the little handle on the back. Place that in there like that. Put a little bit of petal base over the edge of it with your finger, just so it'll help to release it. And I'm going to place my rolled out green gum paste or flower paste over the top, and then roll over with my rolling pin to have a nice clean cut to release the excess paste away from the cutter. And then I'm going to use the scribing needle tool just to release the paste from the cutter, like that. And then I'm going to place that into my flower former to dry. And then I'm going to go on now to the petal. So I'm going to place my petal cutter in the same way into the roller pad, a little bit of petal base over the edge, again to help it release. And then I'm going to place my rolled out paste over the top, and go over with your rolling pin, again to make a nice clean cut. Release the excess paste, and then again using your scribing needle tool just to release this from the cutter. And I'm going to place it down on the pad like so. I'm just going to move the cutter out of the way, and we need to fold this in half like that. Just press it down a little bit like so. And I'm just going to turn that over, and we're going to roll this up. Now this is the bottom part of it, so I'm just going to roll it up so that you can keep it nice and straight. And this actually forms a nice ribbon rose at the same time as you're making your Cupid Rose. I'll just turn it over to show you. You can just open up the petals a little bit like that. Now we can cut this in half so we end up with two roses. So I'm just going to use a pair of scissors and very carefully cut this. So I'm going to cut it through there first, turn it around, and then we have our Cupid Rose. Up. You can use your scribing needle just to open them up a little bit like that. And then we also have a nice ribbon rose to go on your cake at the same time. So I'm just going to bring back your flower former with the leaf in it. And we're going to use some petal glue just into the centre there like that. And we'll pick up the rose and place that into the centre. Have our ribbon rose. Now these can be used on a cut out plaque or go directly onto your cake. So I'll just bring the plaque up, and again we're going to add a little bit of petal glue into the centre of there, like that. And we can just pick this up and place it into the centre of the plaque, like so. Alright, so we end up with two roses. This is the additional equipment I shall be using: a flower former, a sharp pair of pointed scissors, a roller pad, some petal glue, some petal base, a fine paintbrush, a scribing needle tool, and a rolling pin.